from North Devon Marine Project, and we are on a electric boat. We're anchored up in Jenny Cliff in Plymouth, adjacent to the Seagrass beds and quite close to the SailGP race. And we're here with the Ocean Conservation Trust and the Green Blue, and essentially we're getting some footage of the seagrass to just generally raise awareness of it. We've got a really cool ROV down there, which is pretty nifty, and this is what we're seeing.
My name's Ollie from the Ocean Conservation Trust. So we're obviously here in Jenny Cliff looking at some seagrass beds because of a project called Remedies, which is a EU LIFE funded project led by Natural England and the Ocean Conservation Trust, as well as RYA, Green Blue, and Plymouth City Council, Tamar Estuaries and the Marine Conservation Society are all involved. The Ocean Conservation Trust, as we're based here in Plymouth, we've got a lab in the National Marine Aquarium where we are kind of the cultivation partners. So we've collected seagrass seeds and we're currently growing them in a lab, and we're the ones that are going out into the Sound or to the Solent, as with the help of partners to plant new seagrass beds for the project.
So we're operating the ROV from one of North Devon Marine's electric yachts. It's an Oyster Mariner 35 called Mahuhu. So apparently we're looking out for little tiny Hessian planting bags, what the seagrass seedlings have been planted in.
The bags are roughly palm size, and the growth that the seagrass has had so far is not very tall. So as you can imagine, finding it amongst all the seaweed down there and the sea lettuce is proving to be quite difficult.
Pretty
You
cool.
can just see the spider crab now. These guys are basically large orange crabs with long spindly legs, hence the name spider crab. And they've got quite distinctive spiny shells. They have sort of like a hairy look. Not very picky eaters, and they'll be feeding on seaweed, mussels, starfish, and pretty much anything else they can get their little claws on. And so it's been a really eye-opening weekend. Good to test some new kit and get the team together, which has been absolutely fantastic. And even if we can't find any seagrass, it doesn't mean that we can't come back another time, take the ROV down again and have another search.